Welcome back to a brand new video on my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be doing dual forms. Ooh, I'm so excited to be doing these, even though I kind of have my dislikes about them, but hey, we're here to try them out. So first, I already prepped my nails, so I'm going to match these to my nails. This is the first time that I'm ever using dual forms, so bear with me. This is obviously not my size. This is a size 0, so I'm thinking that I may be so it gave me a bit of a trouble. So for a regular tip I would use 1, but in the dual form I will use a 4, which is odd to me, but you know, it is what it is. So I'll get my Sonex nail lamp, then I'll get my primer because I want to prime before I actually do my nails. So they're all this cooked, so I'm going to clean up around them. Put it in a nail lamp. Oh, it's not even turned on. Give it 1 sec. It's firmly plugged in, so I'll be putting it in there for 30 seconds. Oh, ooh, ow. There's looking shiny. So for today's look, I'll be doing a baby blue polygel. I just mixed this with some blue powder and the white, of course. Then I'll be using some of this blue glitter. I'm so excited. So first, I need to get my polygel brush, and my spatula. And remember guys, you need your alcohol, or if you have slip solution. So this is my very first time doing this. Oh Jesus. Alright, so we're going to take out some. It's going to be a messy process. I'm gonna take it off. This is an epic fail. What the heck? What? Come on now. It was so thin. Oh! Alright.